The hits keep on coming tonight. UPST, we were bouncing around a little bit. I did think that you would see that little bit of a short squeeze, and quite frankly, I'm surprised you're still up because, it's not good, to say the least. They missed pretty precipitously. Always use these levels that I've kind of marked off, right? They kind of tell you where you can get in and look to short here. This was a perfect short spot. You run right to it. Bonk, and then here's your reversal bar. You could tell it's your reversal undercuts. There would have been your entry. There's your stop. You could be in that short for $2 right now. You could probably still short this if you're watching right now. You broke that level. You're rolling. If you're willing to use that top, I can't imagine anybody wants to buy this company after that report. Earnings and revenue missed. That really wasn't the issue. Here's the larger issue with this company, and we could talk about it technically. Here's the larger issue, okay? At the end of the day, let's get rid of all these indicators and data. You're in a position where this company's whole model, their whole business model, if you go back and take a look at it, let's look at it a weekly because it's such a disaster. We can't fit the whole disaster on a daily chart. So the whole thing was we have this new model. We know how to calculate a lender better than anyone and then give that to a bank. And then the bank will take the loan. Okay. Their loans are on the books are increasing, meaning that what they're doing is not working. Nobody wants their loans. They're having to put their own loans on the books. After last quarter, the CEO said they weren't going to do that anymore. So they obviously have a problem with the entire business model. And I think that that's the key takeaway from here versus looking at the numbers. No one's buying their loans. They're putting their own loans on the books and eating up their own cash to do it. That's not sustainable. Something's got to give. Either they're going to have to change the way the business model is or the way they're selling the loans, and that's going to cut into their profit. So I would watch this. I think that this was a pretty much just a layup short the way you got up here after hours, and you can just kind of see where we were. We talked about that. Even if you break this level, for this to come back down to that main level, I would not think that you're going to, break here. This is actually forming a bearish harami right now. As we're talking, you're actually breaking that level. So, realistically, you could probably see 28.50 pretty quickly, 25. You break 25, all bets are off. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one, or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.